If you are getting unable to connect to 2K server in NBA 2K26, you are not alone. Recent updates completely broke server connection for many players. These fixes come from the most upvoted Reddit threads and real users' comments. First fix, the internet reconnect trick. Launch NBA 2K26 and stay on the connecting screen. Now disconnect your internet completely. Turn off Wi-Fi or unplug Ethernet. Wait 30 seconds, then reconnect internet and press connect again. Many PC and Steam players say this instantly fixes the server handshake glitch. Next, check your profile status. If your Xbox, PlayStation, or Steam account is set to appear offline, change it to appear online. Restart the game and try again. Sounds weird, but this is one of the biggest fix users found recently. Now, if you keep getting kicked from the city or My Career, load indirectly into My Career menu first. Start your next NBA game instead of entering the city immediately. Once inside the arena, walk out into the city manually. This refreshes your online lobby and fixes loading loops. Another big fix, mobile hotspot test. Connect your console or PC to your phone hotspot, open NBA 2K26 and log in fully. Then switch back to your normal Wi-Fi. This refreshes the network session and bypasses router issue. Last thing, check 2K server status. Sometimes server just overloaded after update. If everyone on Reddit or Twitter is reporting the same issue, then it's server side and you just need to wait a bit. Try this one by one and your game should connect normally again. Bye bye.